Well, this is Sunday. It's a Tanner Gun Show, and we're down here in Colorado Springs at Penrose Center. And Tanner Gun Show is a really good gun show, and they have a lot of vendors, a lot of stuff, a huge variety. They got some really, really good prices. Some stuff's a little overpriced, but they'll work. My stuff is always the same price, so I have my knife sharpeners, and I've got some chargers and like 5-hour energy stuff.
You got some new stuff.
I do. Okay, so I decided to make some Christian outreach type sharpeners out of white. All right, and then on the back, John 3:16, and then we also have the blue. So we do have the red, white, and blue. Okay, which just happens to be a lot like the American colors. All right, so a lot of fun. I've been doing a lot of sharpening. Things have been going well, and if I can make a bread knife cut like this, I'm a happy camper. Okay, that is sharp, and all I got to do is this. Run it forth and back, go out to the point, come back, go out to the point, back, out to the point, and back. I have 90-degree corners. There's 90-degree corner there, 90-degree corner there. So I touch the blade with a 90-degree corner like this. Turn it, slide it along the blade out towards the point, slide it along the blade out towards the point. Just like that, and I end up with a knife. Oh, by the way, this knife I purchased from Tom in Pennsylvania, okay? And I also purchased this one, so these are new on my table. So if you know a Wesson, and if you know what this is, I could ask Tom again, but if you have a pretty good idea of what the brand name is on that knife, since there is no name on it, and it's a really nice knife, it's really sharp, and it's fairly hard steel. I can tell by the way my sharpener slides off the blade instead of biting the blade. And if I want to sharpen the tip of the blade, we do this, that, and I end up with a knife that'll actually cut like this, clear out there. If I need to reshape it, I run it through the V. Gentle. I can go forth and back like this, like that, all the way back here, out there. I look for a nick in the blade or a rough spot, and I just fix it. My kitchen knives, you can run them through this way, or again, just like that. And my kitchen knives are that sharp, clear out there. Now I'm going to hold still, and I'm going to let you look at the blade, and you tell me it's not a whetstone, but tell me if the blade is just ruined and all chewed up. A lot of people, they are very fast to make the comment, you just ruined the cutting edge. Okay, if it cuts like I want it to, no matter what it looks like, it's not ruined. All right, people like to make comments, and people like to think that if you don't use a 6,000 grit stone, oh, you ruined the cutting edge. Well, whatever. My knives are sharp and they work. This is Brad Buckner, sharpsbest.com. You take care and you stay sharp out there.